In this video, we will introduce the main parameters and application scenarios of 800G OSFP to 4x200G QSFP112 DAC. This high-speed branch cable comprises a passive copper cable with one 800G OSFP connector and four 200G QSFP112 connectors. It is a cost-effective alternative solution for 800G fiber products, which is very suitable for TOR, adjacent racks, and short-range 800G Ethernet and InfiniBand connections. For the cable, the minimum bending radius is 26 millimeters, and the jacket is made of PVC, which is sturdy and durable. Using 800G OSFP to 4x200G QFP112 DAC, you can directly connect the 800G switch with the 200G network cards, solving the shortcomings of complex wiring of multiple branch connections. You can flexibly apply to different deployments and help build an affordable cabling system.